Whose tablet is this? It's my tablet. It's mine. Whose world is this? It's my world. It's mine. Whose boyfriend is this? He's my boyfriend. He's mine. Whose red tank top is this? This is my red tank top. It's mine. This is mine. Whose daughter is this? She's my daughter. She's mine. Whose orange dress is this? It's my orange dress. It's mine. Whose money is this? It's all mine. Whose present is this? This is my present. It's my present. It's mine. Whose red heart is this? It's my red heart. It's mine. Whose dog is this? It's my dog. It's mine. Whose red apple is this? It's my red apple. It's mine. Whose chocolate is this? It's my chocolate. It's mine. Whose daughter is this? This is my daughter. She's mine. Whose mobile phone is this? This is my mobile phone. It's mine. Whose car is this? This is my car. It's my car. It's mine. Whose son is this? He's my son. He's mine. Whose kitten is this? This is my kitten. It's my kitten. She's mine. Whose home is this? This is my house. It's my house. It's mine. Whose computer is this? This is my computer. It's mine. Whose family is this? This is my family. They're mine. Whose shoes are these? These are my shoes. They're mine. Whose toys are these? These toys are my presents. They're mine. Whose presents are these? They are my presents. They're all mine. Whose dog is this? It's her dog. It's hers. Whose horse is this? It's her horse. It's hers. Whose red rucksack is this? It's her red rucksack. It's hers. Whose tablet is this? It's her tablet. It's hers. Whose bike is this? It's her bike. It's hers. Whose car is this? It's her car. It's hers. Whose computer is this? It's her computer. It's hers. Whose mobile phone is this? It's her mobile phone. It's hers. Whose helmet is this? It's her helmet. It's hers. Whose driving license is this? It's her driving license. It's hers. Whose pearl necklace is this? It's her pearl necklace. It's hers. Whose guitar is this? It's her guitar. It's hers. Whose glasses are these? They are her glasses. They're hers. Whose watch is this? It's her watch. It's hers. Whose sunglasses are these? They are her sunglasses. They're hers. Whose toothbrush is this? It is his toothbrush. It's his. Whose mobile phone is this? It's his mobile phone. It's his. Whose woman is this? She's his woman. She's his. Whose dog is this? It's his dog. It's his. Whose sunglasses are these? They are his sunglasses. They are his. Whose watch is this? It's his watch. It's his. Whose fish is this? It's his fish. It's his. Whose bike is this? It's his bike. It's his. Whose money is this? It's his money. It's his. Whose car is this? It's his car. Whose camera is this? It's his camera. It's his. Whose bike is this? It's his bike. It's his. Whose horse is this? It's his horse. It's his. Whose computer is this? It's his computer. It's his. Whose bicycle is this? It's his bicycle. It's his. Whose teacher is this? He's their teacher.
He's theirs.
Whose child is this? He's their child.
He's theirs.
Whose classroom is this? It's their classroom.
It's theirs.
Whose car is this? It's their car.
It's theirs.
Whose house is this? It's their house.
It's theirs.
Whose wedding is this? It's their wedding.
It's theirs.
Whose money is this? It is your money. It's your money. It's yours. Whose cash is this? It's your cash. It's yours. Whose Ferrari is this? It's your Ferrari. It's yours. Whose Lamborghini is this? It's your Lamborghini. It's yours. Whose Porsche is this? It's your Porsche. It's yours. Whose widescreen television is this? It's your widescreen television. It's yours. Whose swimming pool is this? It's your swimming pool. It's yours. Whose house is this? It's your house. It's yours. It's yours. Whose diamond is this? It's your diamond. It's yours. Whose diamond ring is this? It's your diamond ring. It's yours. Whose gold crown is this? It's your gold crown. It's yours. Whose Olympic gold medal is this? It's your Olympic gold medal. It's yours. Whose treasure chest is this? It's your treasure chest. It's yours. Whose red gemstone is this? It's your red gemstone. It's yours. Whose gold bars are these? They are your gold bars. They're yours. Whose gold coins are these? They are your gold coins. They're yours. Whose planet is this? It's our planet.
It's ours.
Whose classroom is this? It's our classroom.
It's ours.
Whose house is this? It's our house.
It's ours.
Whose car is this? It's our car.
It's ours.
Whose teacher is this? He's our teacher. Whose child is this? He's our child.
He's ours.
Whose secret is this? It's our secret.
He's ours.
Whose man is this? It's Julie's man. Whose wallet is this? It's Sarah's wallet. Whose piggy bank is this? It's Anne's piggy bank. Whose dog is this? It's Fiona's dog. Whose piggy bank is this? It's Steve's piggy bank. Whose dog is this? It's Harry's dog. Whose computer is this? It's Bob's computer. Whose car is this? It's Joe's car. Whose boss is this? It's Mike's boss. Whose surfboard is this? It's the dog's surfboard. Whose car is this? It's the dog's car. Whose house is this? It's the man's house. Whose book is this? It's the dog's book. Whose bone is this? It's the dog's bone. Whose cookies are these? They are the dog's cookies.